Say good morning, guys. Say good morning, Mr. C. Or good afternoon? Afternoon.
It's afternoon.
Yeah.
Well, it says it's 1:45 according to my stereo. But then my car's telling me it's 10 past 11.
So 11. Have a look. Have a look, my...
I don't know. Bloody Range Rovers.
11, 12. Is that right?
Well, the car's right, then it's the stereo that's wrong.
Yeah. How are we up to today, Mr. C?
Well, we've got to buy a couple of plants.
We call clematis.
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 This has got one.
If they got any. It's very gloomy day today, guys. So you can see in the distance, cloudy.
Yeah, great day.
It's been raining, drizzling this morning. So, and Mr. C looks much up today. Different jacket. Is it army jacket? Is it army jacket?
Yes.
Yeah.
Special Forces tactical jacket.
Yeah, tacticals. Yeah, you can see. Yeah. A black one.
So we're off to Derby, to the garden centre.
Yeah.
For a couple of plants.
It's a couple of plants somewhere.
It's a day out. It's an hour or two out, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like out at least. Stress. A bit of stress come out anyway.
Yeah. Next week's going to be a busy
Hectic,
week.
busy week, yeah. And Manisha is coming to visit us again.
Yeah, Manisha's coming at the weekend.
In the weekend.
Yes.
You know, Friday.
Yeah.
So,
Looking forward to that. We've not seen her for a bit.
yeah.
She's gonna hijack the channel again.
Yeah. Manisha point of view, guys.
Always.
Always. Have you seen it? The channel we have video there. If you go down, scroll it somewhere, we have a few videos from Manisha. So they staying a couple of nights, then they be back and Monday or something. Couple of nights or 3 nights. I don't know. So be good fun.
Good to see you.
Yeah. Hopefully the weather is, it's good. We have a nice weather, a couple of days weather, but now look at it. It's like
Shit.
shit. That's the English weather for you guys, UK weather. It's nice. A couple of days, very nice, good sunny weather. Then suddenly, this happened. The weather. Anyway, I'm complaining about it. We have only 3 summers in the summertime.
About 3 days in the
3
summertime.
days. So how's everyone? How's the weekend, guys? How's your weekend? Hopefully you do something good.
Yeah.
Some places. And other country, what you been doing? Hello, Kamyaman.
Hi.
To Malaysia. Oh, yeah, it's working in Malaysia. Hello, Kanyaman. Thank you for always
Kuala
watching.
Lumpur.
Yeah.
Yeah, he sent me a message. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Salamat.
Salamat, Kanyaman. So watching all the videos and commenting our channels.
He does. Nice guy.
Oh, hello, Berkshire One.
Oh, there's a take. Forgot about you, buddy. One of our oldest subscribers. He sort of disappears for a bit, and then you'll get a comment out of him now and again.
So hopefully one day we meet you because we're planning to meet you as well.
One day.
One day. Still been busy. We live 1.5 years to Sunderland, so busy. And also fail probably one day. Yeah, we meet you as well. We do a mini collaboration with the channel, UK-PINAY, and what's his channel called?
I'm not sure what it's called. It's about his boat, the Nautilus.
Yeah, not too,
I'll have to check.
Sorry, Phil.
Sorry, Phil. He's got the Nautilus boat. I don't know what he's doing with it. He was putting his. Last time I looked, he was doing his diesel heater.
Yeah.
And working everything out, and the nice strips in the floor as well.
Hopefully, Bersa take you alright, you know, because you know it's been a long time.
Yeah, we do get a bit worried when we don't hear from you, mate. Wonder what you're up to.
I know you're busy as well, maybe. So hopefully one day we're coming to visit you. Where Bersa live?
It's down in Poole, I think, Dorset way. Yeah, but I've got a really good friend down there, an ex-submariner.
It's nice to visit, though. I've never been there, so
visit both in one go.
In one go.
Go kayaking and things.
Yeah.
So.
You know. So hopefully one day.
Just when I get some time.
Yeah. Hello, Maricel, Maurice, Isaac, Madame. You know.
What is
everybody there. Junior, Warren. Thank you, brother.
Hi, Warren.
Brother-in-law.
Yeah,
hope you're okay. Yeah. Hopefully see you soon. Hopefully. We never know. We never told them when we're coming home. Just surprise one day.
Yeah.
You know. And
I can see a police car behind us somewhere sneaking up.
Oh my gosh! Always in the Saturday, Sunday. You know.
See something out the back window in my mirror. I think there's a police car sneaking.
Yeah, I seen it in the side view. Yeah.
The good thing about these Range Rovers, it tells you what speed you should be doing on the dashboard. It reads.
See, guys, it's very nice weather. Peeping the sun there. Maybe it's later on it'll be a nice weather, but hopefully, guys, you know, because English weather you can able to predict. You know, later it's sunny, later it's windy, then hailstorm.
You don't know how it's gonna go, do you?
Yeah. So that's the weather for you. Shout out everyone to all of my subscribers on YouTube. Thank you very much to all of you guys.
I've got a police car right behind us now.
Thank you guys for all your support and subscribers. You know, even our Facebook page. Salamat po.
Thank you.
Thank you. In Ilocano, agyaman kami.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, agyaman kami. In Tagalog, salamat po. I don't know what the other dialect though. So, in English, thank you very much. Good. Look at the Steve in the screen of the.
I'm watching the police car. There he goes.
Yeah, here we go, guys. There. Police car. Look at the screen of Steve. UK-PINAY flash.
Customized.
Customized. Yeah, there's a police officer there. I don't know what he's doing in the Saturday weekend.
As long as he's not doing us, I don't care.
They always come out if not any problem in the road anyway, so.
When you want them, they're not there. When you don't want them, you can't get rid of them.
They're always popping up in the corner, you know. Having a coffee somewhere in the bushes sometime to watch all these people and they have a ticket.
But then when our neighbour got beat up the other week.
Oh yeah.
3 guys beat him up. They phoned the police. The police finally started investigating it a week later.
That's funny.
A police woman came around the house and she was on about my cameras on the house. And I said, "Oh, is this to do with Dave, the neighbour?" Yeah. I said, "Well, what are you playing at? It's been a bloody week." And then you just turn up. You should have turned up when you phoned.
Yes, true.
Been idiots. It was a bit absolutely.
He went to walk to his dog in the Greenway with that park and there to the home.
Yeah.
And someone beat him up. And he got bruises, you know.
Black eyes.
Yeah. Yes, black eyes and stuff. You know, If you call 999 for help, so hopefully you want one is straight away, you know.
You'd expect it, wouldn't you?
Yeah, you expect to, you know.
You pay your council tax and everything. And
A week later, what's it gonna do then? A week later,
that's
babe?
what I asked her.
Oh.
A week later, what are you going to do now then?
What did he say then?
Oh,
Very slow.
absolutely useless.
Oh my goodness. Yes, guys. We're going to Derby,
The garden centre.
to the garden center, guys. Hopefully we find a plants that we wanted. And I'll see you in a bit, guys. Guys, we're in a little village called Little Eton. Remember we come this road before when we brought it the car.
Most cars.
We bought cars. And we come this garden center as well. They're quite expensive. Oh, lots of tulip there.
Lots of cars here. Oh, I can find someone to park.
He called Blue Diamond. There you go, garden center. There you go.
Am I going to get it in that little space? I think I might. Stop it in here.
I don't know why this garden center always busy. Always. There you go. I'll see you inside, guys. This is the beast.
It is a beast. The
Look.
pit boss. That's got everything, hasn't it?
Look. Oh, mama.
Imagine this.
Look at these, guys.
Oh man. Want one.
Look, it's free for this. It's free.
Yeah, look at the price. £1,399.
Yeah, but it's a beast, isn't it, babe?
Big.
Look, what's in there?
Oh no, it's not. It's reduced.
I reduced to
£1,299.
just 1,200. It's still, yeah, but look, only, babe.
Yeah, it's very nice.
It's very nice, though. What's that? What's in there?
Maybe when I'm working again. That's like an oven.
Oh my God, pizza oven. Oh shit, that's good. Oh, mama.
Yeah, I like that. Maybe when we got some money, we'll buy
Yeah,
it.
and this one is free.
Not free because you've got to buy everything else.
Yeah,
Very nice.
very nice. Oh, you can hook all your stuff there, isn't it?
Yeah. I like that. Very nice.
There's smoker, isn't it? Yeah, it's got
So
a.
it's gas and charcoal and electric.
There you go, guys. It's called Pit Boss.
I'll put this on the wish list.
Wish list, guys. Our wish list.
Yeah, it's on wheels.
Yeah, wheels. Oh. So in the inbox, babe, isn't it?
Yeah.
This one.
$7.99. This is not bad.
Oh.
Yeah, that's quite nice.
What's this there?
That's a smoker. That's a smoker.
Why you put charcoal on that, guy, or what?
No, I just bring smoke up.
Okay. But I prepare that one, isn't it?
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh. It's nice, this one as well, into to a mountain.
Be nice. You could have one of them at home.
Yeah. Sis Marisa, you like that? Look, nice is in the mountain.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Yeah. Look. They put charcoal there or wood, and you can cook there.
Yeah. Very nice.
Look, the same like this, similar. Look, you can see. My goodness,
Yeah, and then you cook.
you cook there.
Nice.
It's nice. Look, 60. That's the price, guys.
Yeah. You could have one of them in the garden.
Yeah.
We've got the barbecue already.
But in the Philippines, I mean,
Yeah.
very nice.
I'll make one.
Yeah. Smoker. This is the garden stuff, guys. It's nice.
Expensive though.
Expensive, no? What's that then? It's a light. Here we go. Ooh. Look at this one.
A lot of money.
Yeah, but it's nice. That's the one I like when we have a home.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah. Look at this, guys. I want this
Big
way.
umbrella over there.
Yeah. This is the one. You can sit on that.
Good.
This is a good idea babe, for your caution, isn't it?
Yeah. So is that umbrella.
Oh my god.
Massive.
It's massive. How much the price is that then?
Oh, it's got a light built in as well.
Oh, it's nice.
A bit expensive.
That was it.
£1,999
For the umbrella.
for all of it.
For all of it.
Oh, sorry, not with the umbrella either.
Only this one.
Yeah, you have to pay more for the umbrella.
This one is good because if you have a pillow and
Yeah,
stuff.
all your bits in there.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go outside.
Go outside. This all rattan, guys. Nice, guys. Look. It's got a screen, babe, isn't it?
Yeah, you can wind that thing and open it up or close it.
And this one as well is screen.
Very nice.
It's got remote control there, look.
Yeah.
How much is this?
3,499.
3,000 what?
3,499.
3,499, guys. But very nice. If you have the garden in it.
Let's go and have a look at the cheap plants. That's all we came for.
Cheap plants. In the garden center, guys. And diamond, blue diamond. And we have quite a lot of plants in here. It's very nice.
Oh, yeah, that's okay. Not what we came for, though.
No. Lavender is 3 for 20k. Not bad. Okay.
You can find the climbing plants. They're all fruit plants.
So what? Oh,
No, the climbing stuff's over here now.
okay. There you go, Mr. C. Need to see the climbing plants, guys.
Climbers and shrubs all over there.
Yeah. Is this a big olive tree? Is it olive tree?
I don't know. Olive or
Olive tree. This is olive, babe. Olivo. It's olives. That's clematis. There you go.
oh yeah.
And that one, all this in the trolley. Quite a lot. Fine.
Yeah, there's loads of them. You can get some of the smaller ones.
Yeah. Guys, you got so many clematis.
You just want little ones, don't they? Clematis. How much are these?
3 for what?
$5.99 each.
No, 3 for 15.
All right. Well, we only need 2.
3 for 15.
Yeah. Pinks. What colours?
Don't know, babe. We got so many white, pinks, that half.
Which ones do you like?
Don't know. Too many choices.
Need something nice and bright. Don't you?
Yeah.
These pinks are nice.
Pink, the white in middle. That one, that nice as well, isn't it?
I think so.
Oh, that one pink and red. We have red.
I don't think we've got any red ones. Have we? Oh. Okay.
And we have here too. Look.
These are blues.
Yeah. I don't like blues.
Okay, so we won't buy them. Whites and pinks.
But that's double, isn't it? Choose it, bye. Choose it, Mr. C. Or anything you want.
These are quite nice. On. Oh, I'll get one off the back.
And one of these, red one. Three for 15, guys. Clematis
It's two pink.
and red. You want a red one, right? A nice one as well. In the back, look, they are good.
Got some red ones as well.
Different one.
We only really need two, but we'll have to buy 2 or 4.
Why?
Hmm.
How much is that? £5.99, £11, isn't it?
Yeah. You like the red ones?
I don't buy. Choose it.
It's up to you. I don't mind.
Oh.
It's a broken one. I'll go round the back.
Hey guys, for clematis, busy the garden center today, you know. You wanna go around as well? No?
I'll go over and get these plants and then crack open a beer.
So you go around and look at the look.
No, I've got to spend more money. My skins.
Okay. We're gonna pay these guys. Walking around in the garden center.
Oh, it's really expensive.
Mr. C got 3 color clematis.
Oh,
There you go. Everything in the garden center. Nice orchids.
very nice.
Yeah, look.
20 quid.
Look. Thanks, guys.
We have. Mission accomplished. We
mission
came for 2, we've got 4.
You got 4.
There's that car.
Yeah, you can see the beast.
There's the Snow White.
It's Snow White. We call it Snow White.
It's a bit big compared to everything else.
Yeah. Oh, guys. So we have to put them properly. I need to open the door. You okay, Mr. C? This is the garden center, guys. Mission accomplished, guys. We got the plants.
We got the plants.
That's it will die in the winter, but it will come out again in the summer anyway. So busy the garden center, this garden center, even though it's a very expensive place, but still. The sun is trying to come out, guys. There you go.
That was it. It came out, then went back again.
Mr. C is dying for
I'll be
Stella.
yeah, I'm making my most of this time off because on the 20th I'm going to be down in Somerset on a new contract. It's quite a lot. It's just short of nearly £400 a day, which is good.
Good.
5 days a week. I've also got a second interview on Monday.
On Monday,
For a local company that are paying 60 to 65,000 a year, which is really good. So I've did the Teams interview, and I'm going for an in-person interview,
face to face.
face to face, on Monday at 12 o'clock. So if I get that, I'll still be working away, but I'll be home every night. So we'll see what happens.
You see what happened on Monday, isn't it? Mr. C is going 100 miles per hour, guys.
190.
He's saying it's a 90 in the dashboard, but oh my god.
You've got to open these cars up now and again. The second turbo doesn't come in till 2,500 revs, and if you don't use the second turbo,
guys,
the oil builds up.
I get panic when it's got something in my dashboard blinking or something wrong in my car. I get panicking. Like the other day, I thought the car is something problem.
Nah, the thing with Range Rovers, they're so heavily dependent on battery power. If your battery gets a bit low, they'll start throwing faults up on the dashboard. It's nothing to worry about. Just turn the car off, turn it back on again, they go away. But because they've got something like 40 control units on these Range Rovers, you know, it takes a lot of power, and if the battery's being sort of a bit low, you've been sat there, let's say for instance you're not driving along too much, it's not charging enough, you might get a fault come up. It's nothing to worry about, it's normal on these.
Yeah, it's normal. But for me, because I doesn't know how about the car, I call it straight away, Mr. Zero, because something in my dashboard.
You had an adaptive suspension fault, and that's what we had when we changed the front springs. And we thought it had come back, but and essentially got back in the car and she drove it home, it was fine. It disappeared. Then I did a diagnostics on the car with a computer. And there was some old codes in there, but I cleared all them. They haven't come back.
Yeah, when I go to work, my goodness, my car is keep coming that in the screen. And this, you know, controlling that.
Yeah, that won't work.
It won't work.
If there's adaptive control suspension, your buttons won't work.
Yeah. Anyway, now you sort it out.
Sorted.
Not a problem.
I took it for a good test drive after I cleared the faults and everything was fine.
I get worried, you know, because I don't know about cars. Oh, I don't want to stop in the car, in the road,
Yeah, you'll be alright.
not knowing anything, what's wrong with it. So, at least Mr. Siri, he knows about all the cars, fixing all this, everything. It's good. If you got a husband, can fix everything anyway.
Fix most things.
Yeah. That's good, isn't it? We got cars in the front. What is this? A jeepney. Is it a jeep? Or
It's a Defender.
Defender as well. Quite good though.
New shape Defender.
In the street. Enjoy the ride, guys. This is our area, Derbyshire area. But we still got nice places in Derbyshire. Hope Valley is that good one.
Yeah, it's really nice though.
Yeah, we never been back there for sometimes. Maybe if a good summertime, we go down there again for a second time. It's nice there in the Hope Valley. We have plenty of nice places in Derbyshire anyway, so Not Nottingham area.
Don't like Nottingham.
Me too. I hate going to Nottingham. Yeah. And they're saying it's a shithole anyway.
I always call it a shithole. There's too many speed cameras.
Yes. Always traffic on that way.
Only time I get a ticket is when I'm in Nottingham.
Yes, we always does, you know, if we go in Nottingham, always had a ticket. I don't know why.
It's full of cameras. They're just making money all the time.
That's why when if I want to go there, I rather to get the bus, get on the bus, get off in the station and walk, because it's easy. Even if you go to Derby Centre, it's the same, because Derby Centre is the same anyway, full of cameras too. So you're stuck in the traffic as well at the same time. Get off in the bus. It's the town centre. The same thing in Nottingham.
I don't like doing buses.
I know you don't like buses. I know that. Notice it. And you don't like to walk as well.
No, I don't like doing that either.
Yeah, we have very close as well the Lidl at home. You just when if you 2 minutes, in 5 minutes walk, you still won't walk anyway. I don't know why. Always a good going by car. So enjoy the ride, guys.
Coming off in a minute. Ripley.
There he goes.
We'll do a bit of planting.
With the plantings, then I'll get you. What are you having today for dinner, Mr. C?
Yeah.
It's like summer now, Mr. C. He's got a jacket on today. This time I take it off.
Put it around the plant pot so stop it falling over on the back seat.
I know. There you go.
See that, the Amber Valley.
Look, this is Amber Valley, guys. Through the bush. Nice places. This area. We go to the countryside for a drive sometimes. Me and Mr. C. We go there.
Countryside, literally, we had just on the edge of it.
Yeah, edge in it. Middle of Nottingham to Derby, isn't it? This one.
We're not far from the M1 here, like 10 minutes from the M1.
10 minutes.
Junction 26. We're in the middle of the country here. It's a nice place to live. If I want to go north or south, I'm right.
It's easy to, you know,
Yeah.
middle of the motorway and stuff. There you go.
We're in between Derby and Nottingham as well, so we've got a city either side of us within 15 minutes. It's not a bad place to be.
This is our home for another 10 years, guys. Another 10 years.
Till we escape to the Philippines.
Then we skip to the Philippines to become a Filipino, and then babe.
Yeah.
So, another 10 years. So it's not a bad thing to live in this place.
Nice fish and chip shop.
Yeah, and it was been open.
That's massive. Oh no, it's closed.
You see, and it was been open, babe. It's closed anyway.
Yeah.
I don't know who brought it.
Mr. C's, that used to be a really good chippy. I think the price of fish and chips has gone up that much that people don't really want to go out now and buy it. Costs a fortune.
Because they rather buy the fish and they put them in the oven, because you can buy a good fish, cod, you know.
This is the middle of Ripley.
It's the middle of Ripley, guys.
We don't live far from the centre. This is the centre of Ripley.
You know.
We literally can walk in 5 minutes. Sorry, we are in the centre at the minute.
Enjoy the ride, guys.
There's all the main shops and things and shit. Get around this corner, we've got a Lidl.
Oh, that's the Lidl.
There's a local supermarket.
Local supermarket, guys. I'll go there later on what we need because probably Mr. C needs something anyway. So.
And then when we pass Lidl, we live literally just around the corner, guys.
It's too close. That's why sometimes I walk.
We live just here.
A little bit of exercise. I see Alan again.
Yeah.
Fixing cars.
Okay, so am I actually going to get through there? Thank you. Thank you. Fuck you. Fucking ignorant bitch.
This Alan.
Alan? Oh, it's not Alan.
Oh no, it's delivery guy.
Somebody delivering.
Okay. Uber Eats. We're home, guys. This 4 day today. We're playing plants.
So,
That's
we'll get
us.
these plants in the ground.
See you in a bit, guys. This is the clematis, guys. The clematis cold. What is it? How to read that?
Oh, Pilu or something.
Pilu and
Rose
rose cardinals. It's two kind, guys. There you go. And
We've
it's
ended up buying 4. We only needed 2. We've got 4 in here. We got 1 here. 2, 3, 4. So now we've got to get 2 more in here.
we need
either side.
we need to cover all this, you know.
Yeah.
So
They
at
can all
least
grow
look.
here.
You can see now it's growing
Very well.
very well now. That one as well. We remove them in the pot, guys, because the ruin the decking. So Mr. C.
You're making marks all over the deck.
Yes, bit windy today, guys. Looks windy.
We'll figure it out.
Figure out.
Our train needs to go different places.
Yeah. There you go, guys. You need to keep training them.
You do.
I don't know, this one is different because it's got different trees. Yeah.
We'll train all these to go in certain places. Wants to go that way.
That way, so that we can cover these beds.
There's going to be loads of it. Then we'll put 1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
Work.
Work, innit? We figure out, guys. Yes. See you in a bit.
This sea's still busy. I'm alright. I got my beer. My fags.
Hopefully it's gonna grow this one, guys.
Should do. Plenty in there now.
Yeah.
That one's in. That one's in. That was already there. And that was already there. Well, that's a new one. And that's a new one. And that was already there. That's sort of growing as well. So looking good, guys. I think we're there. This is season of watering spree.
Yeah. We'd like to cover this in the summer, guys.
It can grow all the way up. That's the reason I put what they call trellis. Trellis. And that's why I put it there, guys. So all these plants will grow and cover all this fence, and all be covered in flowers. So wherever we've got the table, all with them crisscross things there, that's all going to be like a wall of flowers. That's the idea.
We have a pot in there before, but we decided to remove it.
Yeah, we had plant pots there, but it was like starting to rot the decking because the water was getting underneath and leaking out. Sun's out again now. Pretty typical, isn't it? British weather, guys. Oh, sunny. Got sun up there. Right, that's it for me. Done some bits in the garden today. Going to enjoy the rest of the day with Mrs. C. Think about some food. She's busy in the kitchen. Look.
I need to clean the kitchen also. Continue my cooking because when
Oh, we've got fresh mango today.
Yum.
Yum. I'll take one. Yeah, that's lovely. What are you cooking, babe?
Pork stew. Continue cooking, guys, because I was talking to my sister today. I don't want it to burn it.
Don't want to burn it.
So, cooking again.
Right, so it's goodbye from us. Thank you for watching. Thank you to all the new subscribers. We've got quite a few more. I think we've got 19 this month so far.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, guys. Salamat po.
We'll catch you later.
Bye. Paalam.
Sabihin kong